Nelly, did you go swimming? Did you get a stick along the way? What you got, baby girl? So what's the name of y'all's new gang?
It's our band.
I'm sorry, your band.
Wouldn't you like to?
Realize not everything has to be alright. Just keep your head up and hold on.
Where are you going?
Becky. What's on your beard, buddy? Did you get some Chick-fil-A sauce
Why
on
are
your
you
beard?
cold and have Chick-fil-A sauce on your beard?
You better get used to me, yo. Go on, get loose. You better get used to me, girl, get loose. You better get used to me, yo. Can't stop moving now, can't stop moving.
Well, this morning we are packing up. Ken and I are going to be heading north again, getting out of southern Colorado, because eventually we need to get to Denver to finish up some stuff on our van.
Can't stop moving. Can't stop moving now, can't stop moving.
So we were planning on just driving through Reno Vista to get to Twin Lakes, which is where we're headed now. And then we saw this amazing little restaurant called Christy K. I'm gonna have to get back to you on the name, but that's what I think it is, that advertised old-fashioned burgers. And we both saw it at the same time, so naturally, if you know Ken and I, we are huge burger connoisseurs. Like, that is our jam. Whenever we travel through these states, we want you to tell us your favorite burger spot in the state that you live in, and we're gonna go check it out and we're gonna rate it, because that is one of our favorite foods and we kind of consider ourselves connoisseurs. So I looked at the pictures, it looked pretty legit, so Ken, I didn't even have to say anything. He did a quick U-turn and we just parked. And I'm taking out my braids that Shelby gave me yesterday from Aimless Travels. Thank you, shout out Shelb. See what kind of wave / crimp action I have going on with my hair. They're just kind of getting fuzzy, you know, like a little messy. They weren't quite looking good anymore. Didn't sleep very comfortably in them either. So maybe I get the after effects. Hey, not bad, huh? All right, Ken. Ready for some burps?
I am. After the state of Utah let me down for
but
a few.
We didn't go to like Salt Lake, where I feel like there could be quality burgers. We went to like these little tiny ass towns in random ass restaurants. We did zero research.
Tiny towns, home cooking, you can't beat it. Just place the order. They give you a celebrity's name. A few restaurants do this, but they gave me Jennifer Aniston. So I think it's a pretty good one. But I got 2 double cheeseburgers, plain and dry, with just bacon, meat, cheese. 1 large order of fries for her and I, and then also to split a 21-ounce chocolate malt. Thanks.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
What was my name?
Jennifer Aniston. First thoughts? Yeah?
Pretty good. It's kind of dry. The bun is good.
The french fries are delicious. Stop it. Go order your own french fry.
I got no fries to be healthy.
Yeah, because you're eating a burger and a milkshake, so french fry makes it better. Okay, Ken, now that you have finished your burger, give me your full review.
All right, so the burger was probably a 6.5 out of 10. I really like the bun. That helped a lot. The bacon and the beef all have really good flavor. I feel like it could be a little bit more greasier. As far as the cheese, you know, melting all that stuff together. I feel like they could do a better job on that, but everything had great flavor. Molly's fries are pretty good too. And yeah, 6.5 out of 10. This burger is better than any burgers I've had in Utah, that's for sure.
All you Utah people, if there are any of you watching this, we did it. We didn't do research on where to get a burger in Utah. Ken and I set off with this travel ace saying every state we went to, we wanted to try the best burger in that state. Whether that meant we had one burger or multiple burgers. We did zero research when it came to those burgers that he had in Utah. I do believe there is a good burger in Utah somewhere. You just have to tell us where. So if there's anything in like Salt Lake area, Provo, anything like that, let us know. I'm sure there is. There's gotta be a good burger in Utah.
No disrespect to Utah. The state is very beautiful. Burgers in southern Utah are trash.
Every time we get a burger, we order the burger the exact same way. So that way it's rated the same. We always get a double meat, double cheese with bacon, plain and dry. That's how we like our burgers. Sometimes with grilled onions, but to keep it consistent, we keep it the same. So that way every place can be rated equally.
Deep into the wild. Deep into the wild. Deep into the wild. Stones we carried, clothes we lived in, all the tales.
Right through this channel, there's a whole nother second lake that opens up back here. Look how far we've come. All the way down there.
Lay beside me, wake the morning, ever after, day reborn in oh, we're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I give you the fall, spring, singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. We're finally awakened, we're taking the high road. Hearts so wayward, sun.
What are you about to do?
I'm about to take a shower. It's been a few days, so it's about that time. Well, I had to remove this toilet. Bolted down to the teak wood. What's Tucky is sniffing on is disgusting. Get out of here. Stuffing a microfiber towel, or you can stuff pretty much any cloth in here. This is for our air vent out from where Molly poops. So,
So that way flies don't get in there
yep,
when it's unplugged.
and cause larvae and all that stuff. But yeah, just have to remove everything else. And this cutout right here in the shower, there's normally a trash can, but we take that out and we use it for extra space. Scrub a dub dub.
As long as it takes us, we're taking the high road.
What a magical place. We love it here. I mean, look at our spot. That is us right there. Here comes Millie, thinking that she's gonna get on the paddleboard, but she's definitely not. Hi, sweet mama.
Having a great time.
You-
Just the motor of this just taking her along. You know, she doesn't know how to swim, so I'm just being a parent, guiding her through the lake water.
All of this is false information. I do know how to swim, but he is guiding me, being a parent.
What's up, everybody? Are y'all out on the lake today?
Are you being active today?
Are you getting your 60 minutes in today? Are you getting your 60 minutes in?
I don't know that you could call mine 60 minutes of exercise because I've literally just sat here and Ken's drug me around. But hey, at least I'm getting my vitamin D intake, right? That's just as important.
Health.
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 Hashtag health.
Light of dawn, leading you down that bright road.
Melly, what's going on with your hair? Are you so tired that you don't care? Did you have a big swimmy lake day? Well, we just left Twin Lakes. We got around after we got back from paddleboarding. David and Shelby made us some lunch slash breakfast and decided that we wanted to go to Breckenridge for the night. And Ken and I are gonna have a date night together.
Yes, back in Austin, I always took Molly out, or we took each other out, whatever, once or twice a week. And on these travels, it's been once every few weeks. So we're close to a mountain town, Breckenridge, that we've gone to before, and I've gone to a few times, and we love it out there. And we have a reza set up for tonight, and we're both looking forward to it.
Yeah, definitely looking forward to not cooking dinner tonight. We've been pretty good at eating most meals in. There's maybe only one, maybe 2 meals a week we eat out, but we've been staying 4 or 5 days in each location. So, with us not moving, we're saving a lot of money on number 1, gas, but number 2, we're not tempted to go out as much.
I do, and she does as well. We have those cravings for sure.
Dinner. Home. Dinner. Home. What you wearing, babe?
You know what it is, babe. Just a normal night out.
Pimp Daddy.